Good morning or good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. So, yesterday we worked on the identify phase where we tried to approach making an inquiry question. And in today's class, we're going to start by using the pair share protocol, which will assist us in refining inquiry questions. So, my hope is that before you meet with a partner, you've filled out these two boxes here, which just identify the question a few questions that you think you might want to pursue. And then you'll walk through some of these directions with your partner and fill in the boxes on the right to just process the activity. And hopefully you'll come out of it with an inquiry question that you intend to pursue. Anyway, the next phase is the gather phase, and a lot of people feel like the gathering sounds an awful lot like exploring because they both involve looking at other sources, but I want to differentiate them from one another. When we did the explore phase, that was where we clicked around and we tried some of these different links and checked out where they went to, and we took just a few notes in our inquiry logs to document that. In the gather phase, you're going to, instead of gathering more sources, you're going to gather information. And what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the sources that you've listed in your inquiry log and check them out. You're going to go a little bit deeper into them. So you're going to read them more carefully, more thoroughly, more completely, and take some notes. And hopefully in your log you'll pose some questions, things that you're wondering because of the articles and websites you're exploring. And it's entirely possible that what's in your inquiry log will be enough for you, that you'll have enough sources there. But if you feel like you're running short, if you feel like you don't have quite enough, then come back to this Gather tab. And Ms. Hansen has identified a whole bunch of places that you might consider exploring to get more information. This is going to be really helpful for those people who feel like the research they did exhausted what was on the explore page, but it still wasn't quite enough. So this is the place you'd come. Now, you don't have to use what's on this page. If you have enough information from your previous sources, you're good to go. But you're still going to do more gathering because you're gathering information from the sources that you already have, even though you're not going to gather new sources. And so this is where we are on the sort of trajectory of the project. And after we spend a couple of days gathering information, we will decide what we're going to create. We'll talk more about that later, but there's lots of options. You can do some writing, you can do some performance, you can do something with multimedia, you could do something with drawing. So we'll use it as a chance to tap your interest and your talents. So good luck today. Let us know how we can help.